Hey everybody, welcome back. So I figure I'd give you guys a quick update what's going on with my Jeep and my motor, and it's not good. So we've been at the mechanic and pretty much determined that it's piston slap. So motor's got a lot of issues, plus it's probably got a cracked head on it. That's where I'm losing water. It's going out the exhaust, a couple other things. So it looks like I got to get a new motor. So there was a lot of thoughts though about getting a new Jeep, get another vehicle, maybe get a van, but I like my Jeep. I don't want a van yet, maybe another year or so, but right now I love my Jeep and the freedom of the four-wheel drive and just going wherever I want to go. So, but it also seems that in the last 3 years or so, the Jeep Cherokee has become very popular. They're really hard to find now, especially one in good shape. That is like everybody's buying them up. A couple of years ago, man, they were all over the place. For $3,000 you could pick up a nice one with no problem. Those days seem to be gone. Oh well. So I figure I might as well put the motor in, bite the bullet. It's going to be expensive. It's going to cost me about $5,500 to $6,000 to get this in, but I'll have the welfare of knowing I got a good motor and it ain't gonna go out on me, hopefully, because you never know. So this is a Jasper motor that we're putting in it, supposedly top quality motor, rebuilt, and we're gonna see what happens. So that's just a little update. We've been here about 2 weeks. We're bored as hell because even though the car's working, it don't sound good and it probably could explode anytime. So we're trying not to drive around at all. So we've been in this campsite for about 2 weeks. And we ordered the motor about 2 weeks ago and it hasn't come in yet. So it's just a waiting game. I'm very impatient. I want to get back on the road exploring again. So that's our update so far. See what happens. We're going to do some fishing. And thanks for checking it out. Don't forget, never stop walking, never stop listening to rock and roll. And we'll catch you a little later, hopefully when we're getting our motor in. Bye bye.